Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to install the UnderCover Elite LX from RealTruck on this 2023 Ford SuperDuty. The tools we'll be using for this installation are a ratchet with a 1/2-inch socket, 7/16 wrench, tape measure, and scissors. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we need to do is install our front and rear brackets on our bed cap. But before we do that, we need to measure out on the bed cap. I'm going to make a couple little marks where those brackets are going to go. So my first mark is going to be at 17 inches. My second mark is going to be at 55 3/4 inch. Line up the front edge of a rear bracket to our mark and attach our clamps in the front and rear holes. All right, once we have both of our clamps lined up, go ahead and tighten them down with a 1/2-inch wrench or ratchet. We'll line the rear edge of our front bracket to our mark. We will only be using the rear 2 holes. Attach our clamps and tighten those down also with a 1/2-inch. Repeat the same for the other 2 brackets on the opposite side. Now with the help of a friend, go ahead and lift it up and set it on the bed of the truck. Okay, now we are underneath the cover. We're on the driver's side, right up towards the front. This is our front bracket. A couple of things I want to point out. I'm just going to go ahead and lift this up a little bit so you can see a little better. But we've got a little peg here and also right here on this bracket. And there are some cutouts on this articulating bracket that will drop down onto those pegs. Now what we want to do, I've already gone ahead and clipped a zip tie that holds this together, so now this can move up and down. So we're going to go ahead and drop that in place. We also want to make sure that the cover is not latched towards the tailgate. So you want to lift up on the cover and then slide it forward. And that will engage the pegs with the hidden hinge. That will also line up a threaded hole in the bracket to this star knob right here. We're going to push in on the star knob and then turn that to engage into that hole and get it to where it's nice and snug. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, now that we've got the hidden hinges attached, if your cover has latched, we're going to need to unlatch it and then lift up the cover. I'm going to go ahead and climb up underneath here. Now there's some packing material that's on here. We're going to go ahead and pull that off. Here is one of our struts. We're going to use a side that does not have the red tab and attach to this ball stud up here. And the side that does have the red tab, we're going to attach to this ball stud right down here on the bracket and just push straight in. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Next, what we're going to do is go ahead and close the tailgate and close the cover to adjust the cover. Now the edge of the cover needs to come down to where it clears the black plastic, but not much beyond the painted surface of the tailgate and the bed cap. Now the way you adjust the height of the cover up and down is with our strikes on each side. So we've got 2 nuts on each strike, and they are a 7/16 nut, and you can adjust the level of the strike up and down with those. Also, the latch can adjust in and out as well. So if that latch is not centered on the strike, we can adjust that latch to where it is centered on the strike. We do that with these 2 7/16 nuts as well. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and test the fit. Perfect. And now we can go ahead and cut off the keys. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts, visit us online, or check out our list of dealers near you.